both. We wanted to promote corporate entrepreneurs or public entrepreneurs, policies we wanted to promote. That is the concept we started. Today, he has conducted four conventions. One is deep tech, another is aquaculture, third one livestock, fourth one today tourism. All four he has done extremely well. I am very happy and proud of him. I congratulate him. Now, Ramdev Babaji, I know him for the last 3 decades. Same zeal, same spirit. I met him combined Andhra Pradesh. At that time, everybody was teaching yoga small way. Here is a guru. He has visualized in a big way. In one meeting, hundreds of people used to come for that yoga practice. I thought only few people will come. Wherever you go, thousands of people have come for his yoga. That is how he brought yoga as a mass momentum. I really appreciate him, congratulate him. Recently, if you see all these things they have done, the value of yoga, benefits of yoga, everybody is aware. Now I want to call Gayatri, the beneficiary of him. She will tell on her, with her own actions, then you will have an idea. Please come. Mike. Mike, Mike. Rama, Lema. Mike, this come. Matadam. Freega matad cheppam.
Namaskaram. My name is Gayatri. We are Australian citizens, myself and my husband, but our proper is Hyderabad. So we got settled in Australia since 20 years, but when I got diagnosed with cancer, that to last stage cancer after getting a Pfizer shot, and it was like my doctors were telling there is no hope at all, and after giving all the treatment, they have stopped the treatment and they said you'll be given a pain-free injection and you'll be waiting for your death. Because the cancer death is going to be quite painful. And what they said is, you'll die without pain with these injections. So मेरा जो कैंसर था वो ब्रेन के सिवा पूरा बॉडी में था. लिवर, lymph nodes, breast और बोन में भी चला गया था लास्ट स्टेज पे. So it has spread all over the body except brain. And at that time, like my husband was crying and we have given up the hopes. And we didn't know what to do. So I was seeing Astha channel, and there I had seen a Ramdev Ji Maharaj video where he was suggesting cancer patients please come over to Haridwar and get our treatment done. So I convinced my husband, let's go to Haridwar and take a leave for a month period, and we come over to India. And when we went to Haridwar, they denied a 1 month treatment. They have just given me a 1 week treatment. Later we had to convince because they was telling too much of treatment will affect my liver. And so later we were visiting all the temples in Haridwar, and in the while before going to Australia we had taken another week of treatment. So it was a total 2 weeks treatment in a 1 month's period. And before coming over to India to get the Ayurvedic treatment, my doctors were denying, they said they were threatening with scaring me because Ayurveda will, this treatment will spoil your liver, all kind of things. But I said, because you have given up hopes anyways, I'm going to die. Like, what's going on? What will happen if my kidney is going to fail? So I had to convince, and we came over to India, and before coming, they have done a PET scan, and after getting our treatment done, when we returned to Australia, they have taken a PET scan again, and that PET scan had shown no cancer, no trace of cancer nowhere. So even my doctors were astonished. How it happened, what kind of treatment they give you. They were quite surprised. So, and even my GP was telling that nowadays, I don't know, Gayatri, for some reason, whoever people like, it was a Corona time. So my GP was telling all the people are going to Bali and Thailand to get Ayurvedic treatment done. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, all of you heard about Gayatri's story. Amazing experience.